Today I'm going to put up a couple of spotlights. That's what I'm putting up. It's just a cheap spotlight. Doesn't contain any bulbs. I'm putting these in. I've been using these in my house. I run them all night long for security reasons, and they last a long time. LEDs. They look like that. So we'll put, I'm going to put two of them up. I'll show you how I do one of them. Let's get this out of the box and see what it looks like. These are just cheap lights. Got the gasket, wire nuts, and some screws. An empty box. That's what we're looking for here. Looks to me like it's doesn't matter which way you mount it. It's already fallen apart. Those go in there. So what we have to do is get these tightened down so that'll be the angle we want. Just tighten that down. Tighten this down where you want it. I'm just going to put it here. These things are so cheap. They're not cheap to buy. It's like 14, 15 bucks, but they're made cheap. Just tighten those down. Tighten these lock nuts down. Get some pliers and tighten those. And get it up on the house. Find out where I want them to point, then I can adjust this and this way and up and down. Back has a ground wire. Tie the two black wires together, hook them to your hot wires in your house. Tie the two whites together, hook them to the neutral whites in the house. Screw it on the house. Put these LED spots in there. It's gonna look like that. I'm not going to leave that in there yet. It's already falling apart. Might as well just take those out so I don't lose them. There's the gasket. Goes on the back there, between the house and the light. I'll start by connecting the two blacks together. Just twist them like that. The two whites together. So it looks like that. Ground wire. I'm gonna go mount that on the house like this. I'm having to drill out these holes here because this is the size I need. These are too wide. So I'm just gonna drill these out. And I'll see if these holes are going to line up. I have to mount it on these two here. I think that's going to work. Not using the wire nuts that came in the kit, they're too small. Tighten them down till they won't turn anymore. Tug on the wire. I guess since they originally used a wire nut on the ground, I'll use another wire nut on the ground. Seems to be in there. It'll be fine. I don't even need the gasket.
Two hours later.
Well, there it is. Nothing to it. Just wire it up and put the two screws in. Get the light pointed the way you want it. Tighten down this thumb screw. And then tighten these down with a set of channel locks. And that's what it looks like. 10-minute job.